Are you trying to become plant-based but don't know where to start? Or perhaps you've been persuaded of its benefits and have tried in the past, but the lure of meat and dairy has been too strong for you. As I'm sure you all know, when it comes to transitioning to a healthier diet and lifestyle, it's not about willpower because let's face it, when we're hungry and craving sugar, there's very few of us who would be able to resist hooking into our favorite chocolate stash. No, it's about taking the right approach and introducing boundaries and habits that prevent temptation from occurring in the first place. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can succeed on the plant-based journey. I want to give you the tools and tricks of the trade, so to speak, so that you can stay on the path and transition successfully to a long-term whole food plant-based diet. Number one is to know your why. The best way to succeed is to know your why you want to make these changes in the first place. It may seem super simple, but writing your whys down on paper and referring to them constantly helps keep you on track. So for example, your why may be to be able to do more activities with your children or grandchildren. Actually, having those images in your head can be super motivating when you're struggling with food choices or exercise. Some other why examples could be weight loss, disease prevention, balancing your blood sugar, clearer skin, your love for animals, reducing your environmental impact, living a longer life, better physical performance. So I encourage you to put a pause on this video this very second, grab a pen and write down your top whys, and then write a paragraph that will help to motivate you later on. Put it in a place that you'll remember, whether that's on your bedside table or on your fridge, and refer back to it whenever you need a bit of motivation. Number two is to know your plant-based alternatives. Making the transition to become more plant-based is a lot easier than it was 50 years ago. Thanks to the plant-based chefs who have advocated for change and made plant-based food a delicious alternative to heavy meat diets, more and more people are becoming plant-based, creating a demand for meat alternatives. Unfortunately, a lot of these meat alternatives are highly processed and contain a fair amount of other nasties, but there are some good options there too. So mushrooms, beans, and even tofu can offer a meaty texture to a dish. You can use chia seeds or flax seeds or even mashed banana to replace eggs when baking, and you can enjoy scrambled tofu instead of scrambled eggs. There are many dairy-free milk alternatives such as almond milk, oat milk, and soy milk. Cashew, almond, and coconut-based yogurts are delicious and dairy-free. There are also many great cheese alternatives that you can buy from your local supermarket, or even sprinkling nutritional yeast flakes on your food adds a bit of cheesy flavor and texture. And if you've ever tried ice cream made from frozen banana, you'll know that you can even continue to enjoy ice cream for dessert. Number three is to make use of the internet and social media. There are thousands, and I mean hundreds of thousands of plant-based recipes and blogs on the internet advocating a plant-based lifestyle. You can't say you've run out of ideas of what to cook if you peruse the internet for recipes. From delicious savories to mouth-watering desserts, some great vegan chefs are creating so many delicious and healthy plant-based recipes. Number four is to find a support network. Get your family on board if you can, or at least get their support for your transition. Tell your friends and family about your dietary requirements so they can help you out too. Getting them to be your taste testers may also win them over to a plant-based diet. Plan ahead. Another key is planning ahead. Setting a bit of time aside for meal prep every week will help make your life so much easier, save you money, and prevent food waste. Get to know your local farmers market and organic food shops, and have a time that you go once a week with your shopping list to buy all your groceries. Being prepared can help save time, money, and can stop food from going to waste. 6. Take small steps. If you're currently eating a typical Western diet, making gradual changes is probably your best bet for success. Transitioning to a 100% plant-based diet is a big change from one day to the next, so don't think you have to go cold turkey. There is power in small changes when you make them realistic and sustainable. Plus, the journey is all part of the fun, so if you can learn to love the process, you'll be much more likely to succeed in the long term. So say you've been eating plant-based for a month and then one evening you go out for dinner and your friend orders steak. You start drooling. Steak is the one thing you really miss. And so you decide that you're going to let loose this evening, and you say to the waiter, make that 2 steaks. After dinner, your stomach doesn't feel well and you think to yourself, that wasn't worth it. Or maybe you enjoyed it, but those guilty feelings are getting you down. The key is not to throw away all your hard work because of a tiny hiccup. Consistency is far better than perfection. Don't let perfectionism be the enemy of the good. Pick yourself up and keep going. It's also really important to have an open and positive mindset. If you dwell on all the things you're missing out on, it's going to be extra challenging for you. So focus on the things you like about the new diet/lifestyle and what you'll be gaining in terms of health, and it'll make it a lot easier for yourself. You'll be surprised. A few months down the track, your new habits and choices will become like second nature. You'll love how it makes you feel, and that is what this is all about. So now you know some of the tricks of the trade, so you can be more confident that you'll succeed. So please like and subscribe to help us get this information out there, and please share in the comments too what your why is. And if you want to know more about why plant-based protein is potentially a better option for you than animal protein, check out this video here. I'll see you in the next video.